Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Thompson Elementary School, home of the Tigers in Lake Villa, Illinois. And it was a beautiful day. I spoke to pre-K all the way up through 6th grade. And the main focus was what's the themes behind me here in the school lobby, all about leadership, right? And turning that passion into purpose. And like the shirt has here, in the shape of a heart, the peace sign, that's where peace starts, but that's where leadership starts too, right? That we really have to understand that there's so many ways to be a leader, and that's why there's different colors as well. But once we start to embrace our own leadership style and the unique things about us, then we start to turn that into our life calling. So the sub-theme today was all about passion to purpose, right? So thinking about what we're passionate about, what makes us come alive, and then turning that into our purpose, right? So we use our gifts, our talents, our abilities, our skills, whatever we're great at, whatever we love to do, and then we make that and give those gifts back, and then that really becomes our purpose. But along the way, we also incorporated a lot of the 7 habits, right? So this is a Leader in Me school here, and so we did focus on being proactive. So really trying to embrace the concept of doing what's right even when nobody's watching, right? That's part of being proactive, the first habit. Then we also talked about putting first things first, and first things first being things that are most important to us, and hopefully that's people, right? People first, things second. We did talk about that as well. And then the third thing, beginning with the end in mind, habit number 3, that we focus on our legacy. You know, what brings us meaning? How do we make a difference? And the smallest of actions to the biggest. We talked about the starfish, the little girl throwing the starfish back in the ocean one at a time, and there was thousands on the beach, but she's making a difference to just that one. And that's all that matters, is that whatever size of this act of kindness, whatever we choose to do, that we just do it. And yes, it can be scary. We can be kind of afraid to do what's right sometimes and stand up and have the courage to do that. But like the sign says here, leadership starts here. It starts in our heart, it starts within each one of us, and the students really got that today, that the need for them to be all in is huge, to be the leaders that this world needs. We also focused on the M in all of our hands, with the lines of our hand, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, which means that we are true miracles, and we have to remember our worth and our worthiness to give love, to show love, and to receive it. And be that light to someone's heart, especially if they don't believe it themselves, especially if they don't put themselves first. We help see that they are first, that they do matter, and that we are going to support them, do what's right when no one's looking, and really focus on our legacy, what we want to be remembered for. And that's really what we tried to hammer home today throughout all the talks. It was an honor to see all of you, get to meet all of you in person. I hope to see you again in the future. Until then, much love. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the links that's going to pop up here, and check out the website link as well to learn more about my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Don't forget to check out the amazing videos in the playlist here as well, and hit the bell for notifications for future videos just like this one. Peace.